Ever wondered if a video you're watching could become more brighter, be more vibrant or enlarged? Let's dive in and see how. Well, the answer lies in using an extension called YouZenPlus. Look how the colors have become pleasingly vibrant yet remain natural. Isn't it fun how a simple market scene pops to life, making you feel like you're right there strolling through the stalls? See? The tomatoes have become more interesting to look at. See how the reds deepen? And who knew a classic cat clip could turn into such a whimsical, eye-popping adventure? It's like giving your videos a playful makeover. First, see this original ungraded video. The pond and fish appear livelier and vibrant with the extension, and what seemed like a boring shot becomes dynamic and eye-catching. Imagine relaxing with this enhanced view. It's so soothing and fun, turning a simple nature scene into your personal Zen moment. And hey, if you're into aquariums or just chilling with calming videos, YouZenPlus makes them pop in ways that'll hook you right away. Same is the case here. YouZenPlus can do marvels for your viewing pleasure. It can even bring out the best picture possible on your old CRT monitor or the latest brand new OLED display. Picture this. Whether you're watching educational bug docs or thrilling nature explorations, these tweaks make every tiny detail burst with life. Super engaging for curious minds or anyone who loves a good close-up. Welcome to the heart of YouZenPlus. This is the YouZenPlus UI as it appears in Google's Chrome web browser. It'll have the same layout in Microsoft Edge, Opera, Brave, and Vivaldi browsers as well. Super versatile and easy to use across your favorites. Scroll down to see the various features and parameters you can change, like brightness, contrast, saturation, gamma, temperature, and sharpness for that pro color grading feel. We'll make a separate video for the premium features in the future, but spoiler, they include cool stuff like dynamic sharpness and GPU-accelerated filters for even more magic. Any feature's value can be changed with the plus and minus buttons on either side of the value box. Typing the new value directly into the value box and hitting enter, or by using the keyboard shortcut or hotkey that's displayed right next to the plus and minus buttons. Talk about convenience. As you can see, we're changing a few of the values here, tweaking things like zoom up to 300% with smooth panning, or adjusting playback speed from a slow 0.05x to a zippy 4x, all while preserving the pitch so voices don't sound funny. We're turning the extension on and off with the master toggle to show the difference it makes. Boom! Instant transformation. All the settings can be applied directly with the keyboard shortcuts without even opening the UI. Think of the convenience this alone brings, especially if you're a reaction channel creator zooming in on funny faces, or a language learner slowing down videos without the chipmunk effect. Its warm and welcoming design makes tweaking fun, and for film students or creators, it's like having a mini editing suite right in your browser. Plus, everything happens client-side, so your privacy is totally safe. No data collection at all. And let's not forget the presets. Oh, they're a game changer. We also have a number of one-click presets that you can apply to quickly get the video with the desired effects, like a vibrant boost for nature clips, or a dramatic look for movies. Then, tweak further with individual changes to different parameters if you want that personal touch. Here, we're toggling the extension on and off to highlight how a preset can instantly elevate your video from blah to wow. Imagine using these for use cases like reducing eye strain during long binge sessions or cropping out those annoying black bars on old videos. Super handy. And while the free version gives you solid presets, our upcoming premium upgrade adds unlimited custom ones plus editable shortcuts and themes for light or dark mode. Whether you're enhancing TikTok dances, Instagram Reels, or Vimeo artsy films, these presets make it fun and effortless to get that cinematic vibe every time. Ever felt like a stunning waterfall video could use a little extra sparkle? With YouZenPlus, crank up the brightness to make the sunlight dance on the water, boost contrast for deeper shadows and highlights, and amp up saturation for those lush greens and blues that just pop off the screen. It's like turning a peaceful flow into an epic, immersive adventure, perfect for nature lovers who want to feel the mist. Picture this, a serene park scene that pulls you in even more with YouZenPlus magic. By tweaking contrast, the trees and paths gain that crisp separation, making everything feel alive and three-dimensional. Add a touch of saturation, and the colors bloom naturally. Green's greener, sky's bluer, without overdoing it. This is awesome for casual walkers or picnic vlogs. Imagine using it to enhance your daily dose of outdoor inspiration. And if you haven't tried yet, pair it with our speed controls for a slow-mo stroll or quick tour. Fun for language practice too, like slowing down travel guides to catch every detail. Dive deeper with zoom to focus on those colorful swimmers. Pan across the tank for a dynamic feel, then enhance contrast and saturation so every scale shimmers vividly. It's like having your own underwater world, great for aquarium enthusiasts or just relaxing after a long day. What if a simple street walk could feel like a vibrant city adventure? See how the video becomes more interesting to watch with various effects applied. Brighten up those shady spots for a sunny vibe. Sharpen contrast for popping details on buildings and people, and saturate colors to make the scene burst with energy. Ideal for travel vlogs or urban explorers. Hook yourself with this and never see street cams the same way. Tired of squinting at fuzzy signs in videos? YouZenPlus to the rescue. Pump up brightness for clarity and dim lighting, saturation for bold colors, contrast for edge definition, and sharpness to make text razor crisp. Then zoom in up to 300% and pan smoothly to focus right where you need. Super useful for tutorials, directions, or even funny parking fails. Premium adds dynamic sharpness for even finer tweaks, making it a must for detail-oriented viewers. Ready to zen up your videos? Download YouZenPlus from the Chrome Web Store. Link in the description. Happy viewing!